What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If it's your first time stopping by, my name is Jorge and that is my Chevy SS and this is my Pro-Charged Pontiac G8 GT. And today I'm going to be changing out some wheels and talking to you guys about what the future plans are for the channel and for myself in terms of the cars and what might be coming, what might be going. So basically almost somewhat of a garage update. Alright guys, so as you guys know, and if you don't know because you guys are new to the channel, this is my Pro-Charged 10-second Pontiac G8 GT. I've had this car since I was brand new, so a little over 9 years now, and I've done quite a bit to it. There's videos that I might link here talking about everything that's been done to this car, but this car is actually for sale. So if you guys know somebody that wants to buy it, it is for sale. I was trying to sell it as is with the weld wheels and all that, but unfortunately, I guess either I'm just too crazy with my price or people just aren't that interested. So I'm trying to bring the price down, and so I will be removing these wheels and actually putting the CTSV coupe wheels that are on my SS on the Pontiac so that I can drop the price down a few $1,000 so that it might sell a little faster. I do need to get rid of this car. I've done everything I can, and if I can sell this car, then I can move on to the next best, bigger, better, best thing for me and the channel. And so this car is going away. And now this is my 2017 Chevy SS sedan, and this car has basically been my daily driver. And as a daily driver, it's great, but I only drive 5 miles round trip to get to my park and ride, where it sits out in the sun all day, and it does that 4 days out of the week. So I'm putting roughly about 20 miles a week on this car, which is nothing. And as much as I would to have this awesome daily driver, I'm just not in a position financially at this point to say I can daily drive this basically $40,000 to $50,000 car 20 miles round trip. It just doesn't make sense. I'm better off getting something like this, which is my wife's Camry. This is way better, more fuel efficient, can do all my little runs in and out of town, and this is something that I would not mind leaving parked out in the sun all day. So what are the plans for the SS? Well, unfortunately, I think I'm gonna have to get rid of this SS. Yes, it's rare, it's unique, and I know what you guys are gonna say, don't get rid of it, but it just doesn't make sense, guys. Right now I've got 2 sports cars, which is great, but I just financially right now in my position doesn't make sense. And if I want to do better videos and things like that, there's other cars that I think are going to be better suited for the channel, and I'll probably make some more videos on that later. But this is also going to be going. I don't know if I'll be trading it in or if I'll be trying to sell it privately. So this will get the stock SS wheels back on it. I will put these coupe wheels on the G8 like I mentioned earlier, and I will be selling this car. So I'm going to be selling the SS and selling the G8. I can't even believe I'm saying that. Like, I don't want to, but I've got to. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense to hold on to both. It really doesn't. And for the sake of the channel and for the speed, there are better options than the Chevy SS to try to go fast and do all the things that I really want to do. So the SS will be gone, and so will the G8 hopefully here. But But don't worry, guys, because I am going to be bringing a new car to the channel, and that'll be the singular focus car. And that car might be a little controversial to some people, and if you follow me on Instagram, you probably have a good idea of what it is. But I can't wait to go actually finally get one of those and do all that, because I think it's going to be great. I've been wanting a true sports car, a two-door sports car. These are great, but two-door sports car is going to be the best. And of course, I'll end up just probably getting another Camry or something along this lines to daily drive, because I mean I don't have a lot of money, guys. I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna keep this car and sell that car and get another car and, you know, start modding and be driving having such a high payment on a Chevy SS, you know, $40,000 car, to just drive it 20 miles a week round trip and have it just sit out in the parking lot all day. I don't think this car deserves that. It deserves to be in a garage, and I'm sure there's somebody out there that will be buying this car that will be able to take care of it and treat it the way it's supposed to be treated, not the way I've been treating it. So this one's going to be going away as well, guys. So there you have it with the current situation of the garage. Both of these cars are going to be going away, but the car that's going to replace these, well, actually really replace the G8, because the SS was just a daily driver. I was going to start messing with this and making it really fast, but I figured it's not the best platform really to do it. I mean, I know there's guys that are out there running 9 seconds and doing 10s and doing all that, but they've gone through motors, they've done all that, and I am not in a position right now to be able to spend and drop money on a new motor and do all that. Next build is going to start off just slowly progressing, you know, little by little, and so getting rid of the G8 and getting rid of the SS will allow me to get the car that I want and still have another daily driver, so that I don't abuse and leave the new car as a daily driver in a parking lot out in the sun all day. Well, guys, there it is. The SS is basically back to stock, and I have the front splitter, which I'll probably just leave on. I don't feel like taking that off when I sell it. But the wheels, definitely I was going to take them off, put the stock back ones on. And then the G8, check it out. I mean, definitely takes away from the ultra sport of the car, right? Compared to the fat tire. I got used to that big fat tire in the rear, but it doesn't look bad. I mean, it goes with the gloss black and red theme, I think. I mean, and then the tires fill in very nicely. As you can see, it fills in. It's still a 305, similar to the welds, and looks very nice and concave. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good, and like I said, it definitely goes with the gloss black and red theme. The gloss black wheels definitely fit, especially here up in the front fender. I mean, you have the gloss black in the fender with the gloss black wheel. I think it looks really good, guys. What do you guys think? Obviously not gonna be as good as the welds, but it does look good. And of course, this will allow me to try to sell this car a little cheaper, so that those that are on the fence or might want to get it at a better price point, you know, here we go. So for now, I also get to drive these, because I was definitely wearing out the weld drag radials. I had gotten them basically new, and let me show you guys what those look like now. Alright, guys, so I got these pretty much brand new. These Mickey Thompsons were basically new, and they're basically already getting down to their wear marks, as you guys can see. I mean, they still got some life in it, but they were definitely getting worn, so I decided I'll just take these off, since I won't be drag racing the car any longer. Since I'm trying to get rid of it, I'm just gonna enjoy it and drive it. I figured, let me just put back some street tires, so that, you know, I can drive around and not worry about the rain or anything like that. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys think that's pretty cool look? I like it. And these have the tire pressure monitor sensor, so I'll be able to do the relearn on the G8, and I also have to do it to the SS. Luckily, if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll post a link to it up here. But I know I'll show you in the video. I show you guys how to do it on the SS. I believe the G8 is a little different. What you have to do is, since the key is, you got to put the key in. You put the key in, put it into the on position, and then you hold the lock and unlock button together at the same time until the car's horn beeps. That'll activate the tire pressure relearn mode, and then you'll go through and do the same thing with this device where the turn signal will light up, and you'll go starting from the driver's side front all the way around, and when you get to the last tire, it'll honk twice. That's how you do it on the G8. So a little different than the SS, but just so that you guys could have it in case you guys needed it. On the G8, you put the key into the on position, press and hold while the key's in the on position, press and hold the lock and unlock button until the car beeps once. That's how you get into the tire pressure monitoring relay mode. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and get all these cars pretty much squared away. And with that said, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys understand, and hopefully you guys like what you see with the next chapter of this channel and the next car that I get. Trust me, it's gonna be one that might surprise you guys, but I think that I can do some really great things with that car and show you guys some unique aspects of what I can do with the car, similar to how I did my G8. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget, the giveaway is going on. So go back to the giveaway video, the previous video. There'll be a link to it at the end of this video, and go ahead and follow the directions on that video so you can be a chance to win the giveaway. See you guys next one.